Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from Revolut to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your BNB in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Revolut app and Coinbase Wallet set up on your device. Update them to the latest versions for 2025 to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're ready, open the Revolut app and log in to your account. Head over to the Crypto section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including BNB. Tap on BNB to select it. Now, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be a button or a menu item depending on the app's latest update. When you tap it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Don't worry, we'll get that from Coinbase next. Switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Open it, go to your BNB wallet, and copy the wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you copy it correctly to avoid any errors. Back in Revolut, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check everything. The address, the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, and any fees involved. Revolut might show you network fees or conversion rates, so keep an eye on those to ensure it's worth it. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably need to verify this with your app's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After confirmation, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, often within minutes, thanks to blockchain tech in 2025. Once it's done, hop back to Coinbase Wallet and refresh your balance to see your BNB arrive. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your BNB. A quick tip. Always use the BNB smart chain or the correct network when transferring to avoid lost funds. If you run into any issues, check Revolut's Help Center or Coinbase support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.